What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jube. I'm back with another valuable video, guys. As you can see, guys, we're killing so crazy, guys. AUDCHF and GBP USD. You know what I'm saying? So today video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I was able to how I find this trade using this strategy right here, and I'm gonna explain you guys the reason why I took this trade right here. Then I'm gonna show you how I've been doing, you know what I'm saying, how I've been doing in order to reach all this profit right here. You know what I'm saying? All the profit that you see, guys, I took the trade with my team. You know how we do in the building. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that subscribe below, and join the free Telegram group and click the subscribe button, because this channel right here, guys, as you know, guys, all we do is talk about make money. I hide nothing from you guys. I show you all the skills, how you can do it as well by your own. I'm not that selfish, you know what I'm saying? I always, guys, share all my strategies with you so that y'all can be able to make money as well. So for this who've been here for a while, they knows how we do in the building, you know what I'm saying? No selfish thing, you know what I'm saying? Everything I share with you guys live, you know what I'm saying? I had nothing from you. So I'm gonna start, guys, with a UDCHF. I'm gonna show you guys how did I be able to find this trade and what makes me take this trade, and I'm gonna show you the reason why I took GBP USD. You know what I'm saying? You can do the same as well. If you need to use this strategy right here that I'm using, it's also available and it's free, guys. I always, guys, repeat this. My strategies, guys, they are free. I upload these strategies, guys, to help you guys out to be able to make money by your own. So I don't sell the strategy. Everything is free, absolute free. So let me show you guys how I was able to catch a UDCHF. So as you can see, guys, we're landing so crazy profit, guys, but you can never do this every day, for real. I'm not gonna lie you. This can happen, you know, this type of entries, guys, can only happen like once a week, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can even spend a week without finding this type of entry, because it's not easy. You need to be patient. For real. So as you can see, guys, I found the entry on 4 hours time frame. All right, this is why I found the entry. As you can see, guys, if you're using this strategy, all you need, I already done the whole work for you. In order for you not to struggle, you need to wait. I already give you the levels right here. You need to wait the market to reach this moving averages that you see. They must reach at level 90 right here, and then you wait for them to close each other like this, and then you take the sell at this point. And then once you sell at this point, you're gonna join until at this level 8 right here, and then level 8 you take a profit, because once the market reach level 8, it's gonna do something like this. You see here, the market, after the market reach level 8, bought all the way to level 90. So level 8 you buy all the way to level 90, and then level 90 you sell all the way to level 8. That's how you use the strategy, right? So I'm going to show you how did I be able to turn this this amount to this amount. As you can see, 1.2 all the way to 5K. This doesn't happen every day. You need to be patient. As you know, guys, in this business, patient is everything. If you're not patient, you will never make it. So as you can see, this is why I took my opportunity. I took the entry right here, and then I waited. The market gave me some profit, you know what I'm saying? And then I had some little a little pullback right here. As you can see, the market went at this area right here, and then it give me the pullback. And then once the market continue, I shifted my stop loss. As you can see, I shifted my stop loss from the why I put it inside to the profit. You can see this is my stop loss, which means I was protecting my account, and it'd be like, okay, I already protect my profit. So now what I'm gonna do, let me just forget about the market because I already lock my profit. So this is what you need to know to do, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well. If you don't know how to protect your profit, I'm gonna show you how you can protect your profit and forget about the market. And what the market is gonna do for you is gonna keep printing more money for you. I'm not gonna lie you, the time that I protected my TP, my profit right here, each entry of this one was in 150. Let's say 150. Then I was like, should I take this one 150? Then I was like, no, let me just protect my profit, and then I will let the market keep moving, because I looked at overall of the market. The market was like, yo, this is gonna shoot so much on downtrend, so you don't have to miss this. You know what I'm saying? And then now I'm going to shift my stop loss inside to this point right here, this point right here. So all you need to see in the market, you need to wait for something like this. Let me show you guys, because you guys you guys are my family. So I always make sure I show you guys everything. You know what I'm saying? This is how you shift your stop loss. Okay, you wait for these pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? These pullbacks, this kind of pullbacks, these ones, and then this is where you need to shift your stop loss. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to shift the stop loss right now at this point right here. You know what I'm saying? Because the market looks like still going to move. You know what I'm saying? The market looks like still going to move. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna shift. I'm gonna protect my profit right here. I need to get out with something about 7 honey each entry, 7 honey, and then I'm gonna take my profit. So now I'm gonna shift my stop loss right here at this point right here. Because you can see this is the previous lower high. So I'm gonna shift the stop loss at this point right here. I'm gonna take these numbers is 5779, 5779. Take profit is right here. On light side, this is a take profit. Okay, so 17. Oh shit. Let me check again. I forgot the number. 17193. 17193. 17193. Boom. Yes sir, yes sir. Now guys, boom. So you can see now I already shift my stop loss from here all the way to this point right here. So which means I'm free, my money is free. You know what I'm saying? I have no loss in the market. You know what I'm saying? Everything's free. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I was able to turn my account this amount by doing this. You shift the stop loss, you lock the profit, and then you let the market keep printing more for you. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we do it, guys. And I won't close all the market with you. I was just gonna show you how you can do it, because this is going to take me some time. You know what I'm saying? It's going to take me some time, so I'll do it when I'm done this video for you. So I don't know what else you guys want to know about it, but that's how you do it. Take your trade. When the market move to the profit, lock your profit. You can use the break even. When the market enter the profit, always remember to lock the profit. If the market move 20 pips, lock 10 pips and let the market move for you. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you protect your account, and this is how you're gonna be able to make money just like that. So do the right things, guys. Make sure you like the video, you know what I'm saying, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to use the blocker that I'm using, guys, the link is also on description below. So let's go crazy, guys. Let's do this, you know what I'm saying. I hope, guys, I already give you the skills, and if you want to use the strategy that I'm using, you can check my previous video. It's going to help you to get the settings for the strategy. Peace out, guys. See you on the next one.